Dennis from Calvert has a question about floor stabilization.
Yeah, it's between Bryan and Waco, kind of in that
I had
area.
no idea. Actually, I've never heard of it.
He's living in this 1800s home.
Ooh, I like
Isn't
that house.
Adorable?
Yes.
I know.
I do.
I sent a picture of this to Sandy, and I knew immediately I had done something wrong.
That's our new house. We're going to move it here.
We're going to be building one like that on the patch. You watch.
Okay.
All right. It's a pier and beam, of course. Two issues. The floor is pine and single layer. Okay? This is the first issue.
Yep.
It says there's no subfloor. This spring, the rain and moisture under the house caused cupping of the floor. He solved the problem by fixing drainage issues and drying it out, and then within a few months, the wood laid down flat again.
Good.
I'm considering spray foam under the floor to stop moisture issue in the future. Also, foam in the attic to stabilize the temperature there. Now, since these old homes are meant to breathe, he says, am I creating more of a problem? What do you think?
He just solved a problem.
Right. And
Why are you going to create one?
Because
yes,
everybody needs something to do.
I know. You need to get like some cattle, chickens.
Is it possible that he liked that cupped look of the wood? Because isn't that what he's going to get?
Yeah, he's going to get a mess. So what I'm telling you right now is you fix that old home. If you want an energy efficient home, you need to go buy one.
Right.
You can't make an old one energy efficient. And it probably doesn't use that much energy. It's not a huge home. And it's a very healthy home to live in. Leave it alone. Don't fix it if it's not broke.
I have heard you say that so many times.
It's true.
It's true. Okay, so it's an old house. Let it breathe. Let it be.
I had a home that was over 100 years old in Lake Placid, New York. Just let it. It'll be another 100 years too, because just let it go. And it was built the way it was built. And it's cold when it's in Lake Placid. It's real cold, and it can be hot. And
Tom Tynan says, "Don't do anything."
don't do anything.
Well,
you don't even have to call anybody.
Paint it. Take care of the roof.
Well, of course,
those
you
kind
maintain
of things,
your home.
Don't.
And put a nice big fat air conditioner in there. So in the summertime,
don't do that.
You can do that.
Oh, you can?
Oh, yeah.
How would you put it? Would you like?
You can do a central. Those old houses had these big attics,
right?
So you can run all the ductwork. It's a one-story home. Right. Very simple to put an air conditioning system in there. Just make it a little oversized, and when you're hot, turn it on.
Now, is that going to upset the moisture balance in the house?
No, because it dehumidifies. It keeps everything breathing back and forth. You just don't want to pack foam and have water under the house and all this stuff, right? Just keep it dry.
Fair enough. And keep the questions coming at HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that Ask Tom button and send it to us. You can include pictures, too. No passwords, no permission slips. Just go ahead and send us your pictures and your questions. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.